This 2024 inTech Terra Willow is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Huntsville, Alabama 35816 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Huntsville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new inTech is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.